Hey guys, my name is Steve with Pacific Lawn Sprinklers, and in today's video I'm just going to take you through a little bit of the process that's involved with getting started with your Pacific franchise. A lot of guys are intimidated by the franchise system. They think it's like a lot of work or a lot of crazy things to get started, but actually we make it pretty simple. We're just regular guys. We're looking to help you out. We've been in the industry a long time. We know all the ins and outs. So check out this video and hopefully it gives you a better idea of what it takes to get started and a little bit of the process getting to know us. So if you're working for someone else now, maybe you're doing landscaping or irrigation or something similar, and you're thinking about starting your own business. Maybe you saw one of our trucks drive by, or maybe you know one of our franchise owners, or maybe you just saw an ad online. Either way, the first real step is for you to get in touch with us. Give us a call and one of our senior franchise guys will talk to you and guide you and give you all the specifics of what owning a franchise is like. After we talk for a bit, the next step is to set up a face-to-face meeting. We'll gladly come fly out to you, or you're always welcome to come visit our headquarters in Queens, New York. So once we meet, we'll go over some basic stuff. We'll talk about daily operations and things like your service area and how we're going to help grow it over time. We'll show you a little bit of our back-end software, and we'll also review our franchise document and go over every single detail of the franchise. We'll explain all about the back-end work that we're going to do for you on a daily basis, such as marketing, scheduling, permitting, licensing, and other things like that. We can show you and we can discuss different types of truck layouts that some of our guys are using. We could even show you their exact setups and what's really working to help keep them efficient and make them as much money as possible. We can talk about the different types of equipment that you'll need to get started and review some of the startup costs and best ways to get this stuff set up. We can talk about your initial inventory and show you the different types of material that some of our other franchise owners are using. Our goal is for you to buy things at the best price and be as efficient as possible. We'll also talk about some of the machinery that you might need. Maybe you want to get started with a Zon or a 410 or a 255, or maybe you're just going to start out as a basic service franchise. Either way, we'll review everything to make sure you're comfortable. After our initial meeting, you'll take some real time to review and make sure this is the right decision for you. During that time, we're here to answer any question you have at all. We want you to be extremely comfortable with our system before you invest. After we agree on everything, we'll meet again to sign the franchise agreement and make your new franchise official. After the paperwork's out of the way, we'll get you set up with some new Pacific gear, such as some cool uniforms or different types of technology that our guys are using. Then it's time for our team to get to work. We'll start laying out your service area and we'll work together to get your advertising and software set up on the back end. We'll take care of all the necessary paperwork and licensing and anything you could possibly think of to get started. Then our team is going to help you get set up with all your supplies and everything you possibly need to get your truck set up. If you're going to be doing installations or some heavier types of work, we can definitely help you get set up with all the machinery that you need. After we get you all set up, you're going to attend one of our 3-day initial franchise trainings. After that, one of our field supervisors is going to come with you for your first few days of service. We really want to make sure that you're comfortable with the Pacific system and that everything is working properly for you. We're going to give special attention to our software and give you the tips and tricks you need to get through your day as fast as possible. We can come work with you on site and show you some of the different techniques we use in the field, but of course you could do things however you like doing them. At this point, our system's really going to kick into gear and we're going to get you on site and in front of customers. You're going to focus on the field work every day, doing different types of repairs and renovations, while on the back end, our system is helping to grow your business. From here on out, we'll work as a team to make you a successful business owner. So that's how you get started with the Pacific franchise.